Hi, my name is Chris Marshall, and today I'll be making a short tutorial on PC demanufacturing. In today's example, we'll be using a Dell Optiplex GX280. The specific tool needed for this project is simply a Phillips screwdriver. During this process, I will explain each and every component as I remove it from the system. So with that being said, let us begin. We'll start off by getting a weight of the system. The weight of this system is 24. Start over. Hi, my name is Chris Marshall, and today I will be making a short tutorial on PC demanufacturing. In today's example, we'll be using a Dell Optiplex GX280. The specific tool needed for this project is simply a Phillips screwdriver. During this process, I will explain each and every component as I remove it from the system. So with that being said, let us begin. We'll start off by getting a weight of this system. The weight of this machine is 29.4 pounds. Average weight for a PC tower of this size. In opening this case, there's a button on the top back end and bottom back end which will allow you to open the case. The first component I will be pulling out will be the power supply. It is connected by a number of screws. On this specific model, there's only 3 screws holding the power supply in place. After removing the 3 screws, we will next detach any cables that are connected to the motherboard, the MOLEX connectors from the CD-ROMs, as well as the hard drive. After disconnecting the cables, you'll see a small green tab right in front of the power supply, which can be pressed down and allow for the power supply to slide out. Power supply. Next piece I will be pulling out will be the CD-ROMs. However, the CD-ROMs are connected to a ribbon cable from the motherboard. I will be removing the ribbon cable from the motherboard as well as the CD-ROMs. Ribbon cable. Now, removing the CD-ROMs is fairly simple with this make and model. There are 2 green clips attached to each side of the CD-ROM, which will allow you to easily remove it. In this machine, there are 2 CD-ROMs in this sequence, so we'll be pulling out both of the CD-ROMs. Next, we'll be removing the hard drive. In this make and model, it requires for a SATA hard drive. which is connected to a data cable. The data cable will be removed from the motherboard first, and then the hard drive. Just like the CD-ROM, the hard drive is connected with 2 green clips on each side, which will in turn allow easy removal. The next component I will be removing will be the memory. The memory is attached to memory slots with 2 clips on each side. The clips come down, memory is ejected. The next thing I'll be